Well, this is a special edition of the Humvee unboxing project. Unfortunately, the video I just made, it cut off at about 2.5 minutes. I don't know what happened there, but it is what it is. I've already taken off the top and I already pulled out one of the troop seats. And yeah, so I guess the world isn't perfect after all. Anyways, so what's going on here with these troop seats and why I bought them is that um, in the grand scheme of my Humvee project, one of the things I'm going to be doing is exploring uh, out and about everywhere. I'm going to be going all over the place. I got a special video system that I'll make a whole video just on that alone. It could even be a couple videos. It'll probably take enough to talk about. But, anyways, so I'm going to be going, Washington, Oregon, Idaho, Montana, Wyoming. One of my really good friends lives in Colorado. So I'm definitely going to be going and seeing him and just recording all the Humvee adventures. And part of that, it involves these troop seats. The vehicle that I got through GovPlanet, it looked to be a vehicle that it had some use, but you can tell by the interior it hardly has any use at all. And I think it got relegated to a parts vehicle to keep multiple other vehicles running. And so it was missing a good amount of things, but obviously, the price that I wound up paying for it was a lot less. But anyways, so it didn't have the troop seats, and this guy on eBay had these troop seats that are, man, these things are like brand new. Like this is the original. This is the original container for the troop seats. It still has the cardboard in between them and all that. And we got the box over here. That's all the mounting hardware, the bolts and stuff, because it bolts like in 3 spots. These fold up. You got these little pins. They go in down here. One there, one over there, and that keeps the seat up. But for my scenario and what I am using this vehicle for, I'm removing these. They're not going to be here. I only need the backs because of these right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And those are for the troop cover bars. The bars go up, they go over, and they go down on the other one. Well, we got a loud diesel coming through here, so that's going to make some noise. But anyways, let's wait for him. So those bars go across, you put up the top, and so that's why you have to have this. I mean, obviously you can fabricate something for these, but I like to keep things authentic. I'm not cutting any corners in this project. And this guy had these brand new set of these troop seats, I think for $300, but they were coming from Georgia, I believe, so it was like $250 shipping. But they're brand new, and they're original equipment. And these right here, these, I thought they might have been aluminum, when I was looking at the different pictures of the different vehicles. But it turns out that they're like some kind of a composite, for you do decking and stuff, how you have the decking like 2x6s. It's not wood, and that way it doesn't, that never weathers or anything. I could see these kind of bending down over time, but it doesn't matter to me because I only need the back ones. Because on my vehicle, I am going to have, we're at 5 minutes, I'm going to have a platform over the whole back end, or over the whole bed of the vehicle. So that platform is going to be semi-permanent, and it's going to be something where I'll have it like hinged in the middle, so you can pick that up, flop it over, get to your stuff that's underneath it, because that platform is gonna sit on the wheel wells, just how this sits down. But that platform is going to be to keep the things underneath of it safe from prying eyes and sticky fingers. But then it's also going to be for when I drive around wherever I want, and then I just park wherever I want. It'll probably take about, I'm guessing, maybe 15 or 20 minutes. You put the bars up, you put the canvas up, the canvas latches along the bed of the vehicle itself. And then I put my mattress topper, which is an extra high quality, like 3-inch mattress topper, queen size. And I got queen size on purpose, so that's plenty big enough for 2 people. And then also it gives you plenty of room to walk around on both sides of the bed, and without having to walk on your actual bed. So that platform, and so you can just sleep in there. You don't have to put up a damn tent, because like what if you're in town or something, and like you're on a trip going somewhere, and then like you just stop at a Walmart parking lot. Well, you can't set up a tent. But even out in the wilderness, you still, I mean, what are you going to set up a tent on the uneven ground, lumpy rocks, uneven? Like it's not enjoyable to sleep when you're leaning to the side, or your head's down below your feet, or whatever. Sleep is a very important thing, and this will ensure sleep is magnificent and away from the bugs, because you got the troop cover and all that. So, yeah, that's, you can kind of see the back over here, how those, how the loops are. They got stoppers down here, so the bars don't go below that. There and there. And, yeah. They were expensive, but I had to have them. There was no getting around it. So it is what it is, and that's what it looks like when it's folded up. So this one over here is the passenger side. This is the driver's. This piece over here that sticks down more. You know what? So that's the driver's side. Okay, because that just has to do with how it sits on the wheel well, and then where the other sits on a, actually I take that back. This is going to be the driver's side, because I think it's higher over here, because this sits flat onto the wheel well, but then over there you're actually sitting, it sits on, they have like these dividers between the cab and the bed. And so that's why there's a height difference over there. But like I said, I'm not dealing with these at all. So I won't even care about these lower sections. They're going to be removed and in the garage. I'll probably keep them for some, like if somebody goes and offers me enough money and I sell the vehicle, then, I'll include these with it. So that way, because what my configuration with how I'm using the vehicle isn't necessarily going to be what somebody else does. So, yep, I'll just keep them packed away and all good. So there you have it. See you guys next time.